Hi guys, today we are going to discuss how to work with an inactive relationship in Power BI using DAX. So let me just show you the data model that I am working with today. So I have a table that is giving me the dates and it is called my calendar table. Here you can see I have a column that is having my dates and I have extracted quarters here and another year and quarter concatenation column over here. And this is my data table. So it has my various informations regarding my uh, order date, ship date, my categories, customers, and all those things. Basically, this is my Superstore data that I'm working with. And here in the modeling, you can see I have an active relationship between the order date and the date of my calendar. Along with this, I have an inactive relation of my stock date and the date of my calendar. I'm sorry, this is the ship date. So now we know that we can only have one relationship active at a time in your model. And I'll just quickly create a visualization to show you how it looks. So let me just create a table for you over here where I want to take dates from my calendar table and I don't want the date hierarchy. So I'm just going to go for the actual date. Here it is. And I'm going to use my measure with this which is called total quantity. So basically, this is the quantity that we have ordered on each order date. Why am I saying order date is because in the relationship, that's the active relation that I have. And just pay attention to this. You can see this starts from 3rd of my January 2015. Now, I'll just go ahead and I'll make this relationship inactive and make the other one active. Now, the active relationship is on the ship date. If you notice your visualization now, you can see the dates have changed. Now my starting date is from 7th of January, not the 3rd of January. So basically the data that I have there, we have the order date from 3rd January and the ship date from 7th January. And this is the total quantity that we have on the ship date. Now, it's not possible for each time for me to go back to the relationship tab and change my relationship to active and inactive because that's not very user friendly as an end user. So what we can do is I'll just make the other one active and see, because I have an active one, it's giving me a prompt that I can't have direct active relationship between the said columns because I already have an active relationship. So somehow, again, if I go ahead and change this back to inactive and make this active as an end user, this is not possible. So how can you work with two relationships together in Power BI? That is through your use relationship function. So quickly, I'm going to create a measure here and I'll call this my total quantity for ship date. And the formula is going to be a calculate function. Here I need to write the expression. So that is going to be my total quantity. Now I need to put in my filters here. So filters would be my, again, use relationship function. And the relationship has to be done on the ship date of my orders table and the date of my calendar table. I don't need any of the date parts here. I'm just going to go with the date column. And this use relationship will help me work with the ship date even when I have an inactive relationship at the modeling tab. Now I'm going to just bring this total quantity per ship date. Okay, and let me just check, where has it gone? Okay, it's gone in my calendar table. So here you go. Now you can clearly see that there's some missing values, because could be that I have not shipped anything on these days, because it was quite clear that we started from 7th of while I was showing you in the initial stages, while I was showing you the ship date and the quantity, you saw that the ship date was starting from 7th. So here, even if I have the total quantity starting from 3rd, on 7th, I have total quantity ordered as 10 and the total quantity shipped is 5. Let me just quickly show you the relationship tab. See, one is active, one is inactive, but through the use relationship function, I can work with both the active and inactive relationship together in Power BI. So it's a great function to work with. Please remember to subscribe to my videos to learn more such functions. Thank you.